of the day. A bee stung me. Good morning guys, it's a little too early to be awake right now. Hi, this is RGV and you're watching RGV Love. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. Hi guys, I'm awake at an unholy hour. We got up at like 4 AM. I know there are people who actually get up at 4 AM. I really don't know how you guys do it. It's a next to impossible task. Anyway, the reason that I'm up so early is because we are off on a day trip to Shakumbhra Devi, which is basically our Kul Devi, and we got Ariv's Mundan done like way back. But Arivi has a little cousin who's going to get his Mundan done, and his Mundan will happen on in Shakumbhra Devi, where basically Arivi's Mundan was also supposed to happen, but then Dadi got sick, so that never happened. So we are now, I have actually kept his hair since then very safely, so when we go to Shakumbhra Devi, his hair will also, well, basically be given there in the temple. So that is what we are doing today. Just boarded the train. We unfortunately, also our bogie number was C6, but we went to like C8 because where we were standing, the C8, the number was missing, so it actually looked like 6 instead of an 8. So that happened. Neebu Pani, how cute is that? We have now reached Saharanpur, and from Saharanpur by road, by car, we'll basically go to Shakumbhra Devi. Shakumbhra Devi is actually our Kul Devi, so which, if you don't know what it means that our ancestors used to pray there. So my husband's grandfather even used to go there, and his father also used to go there. So it's like a family mandir. So that is why any important puja, like the baby being born or his Mundan ceremony or the first mandir that we have to visit after we got married, were all Shakumbhra Devi. Look! Focus! Mango trees! They say that the mango here is so cheap, that's like 10 rupees a kg. That's the mango tree. Devi! Kuchi kar do? We have currently stopped at Bhura Devi, which is like, can you even see me? Which is like 5 minutes away from Shakumbhra Devi. So before you go to Shakumbhra Devi, you're supposed to actually stop here first and then go there. So that is what we're doing. Also, we've met up with our family, the other baby that's supposed to get his Mundan done. So that is what's happening here right now. Everybody's just getting organized, and then we'll go here and then we'll go to Shakumbhra Devi. we are now on our way back. I couldn't shoot inside the, yes we do, I couldn't shoot the deity. Basically they told me not to, so I didn't. But yeah, so basically our work is done and we have like 2 hours to, yes baby, we have like 2 hours to kill before our train. Let's see what we do in Saharanpur. An interesting thing that happened today, well, if it can be called interesting, is a bee stung my leg. Well, I caught it right before it stung me, or it kind of just stung me. So, and I killed it, because if you sting me, obviously I'll kill you. And I got the stinger out of my leg, but it's paining. Like there's a very slight stingy pain where it stung me. So Iraveer has slept. Everyone's going to get some tea and coffee. I'm sitting in the car. I'm letting him kind of get some sleep, because every time he tries to sleep, either to go get out or something or the other happens that he's not been able to nap properly today. So I'm just kind of sitting in the car to let him nap as long as he wants. That's what's happening. The thing is, today elections are happening in Saharanpur, so all the shops are closed, so we can't even like roam around in the market and kill time. So 2 hours is it's going to be a little bit tough trying to spend 2 hours there. Somebody just gave us gujia. This is my season's first gujia. I don't think I've ever told you guys, but I love gujia. Absolutely love it. By the way, Holi is coming and I'm thinking of doing some Holi special videos. If you have any requests at all, please make sure you comment that down below. I just started editing my vlog when I realized I never really ended my vlog. Yesterday we were like so super tired that we just came home and we slept. I don't think our, how do I put it, like थकान अभी तक नहीं गई है. Basically बहुत ज़्यादा body ache हो रहा है, but I think it will eventually go. The bee that bit me, well, it did leave behind something, because my leg was pretty much swollen the whole day yesterday, like where the bee had stung, that area was swollen and paining. The swelling did go down today, but there is a little bit of pain still. There was itching in the evening. Don't know how. I'm hoping it will get better. If not, then let's see. I don't know. Comment down below if you know any home remedies to make that okay. Anyways, I'm also planning to do a Q&A soon. So if you have any questions that you want answered, comment that down below. And with that, I hope you have subscribed already. If you haven't, subscribe already. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.